Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how you can customize your left sidebar in Slack, the full 2025 guide. First off, click on the Slack name located at the top left corner of your Slack workspace. Then select Preferences. The reason we do this is because Preferences is where you'll find all the customization options for Slack. Now that we've done that, you'll see a tab called Sidebar. Click on it. This tab is specifically for changing the appearance and behavior of your sidebar, like theme, text size, and which channels to show. Next up, you'll see an option for theme. Click on it and you'll see a variety of themes to choose from. You can even customize your own theme if you prefer. Changing the theme can help you personalize your workspace and make it visually pleasing. After that, look for the Show option. Here, you can select which channels, direct messages, or apps you want to see on your sidebar. This helps us because it allows us to declutter our sidebar and focus only on what's important to us. Lastly, you have the text size option. This is where you can adjust the size of the text in your sidebar. It's particularly useful if you're having trouble reading smaller text or if you want to see more content at one glance. And voila, you've now customized your left sidebar in Slack. It's as easy as that. The reason this matters is because a well-organized workspace can increase productivity and make your Slack experience more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in the next video.